It is important if you're the owner of a brand that you police the marketplace to understand what other parties are doing with brands that are similar. If you see a competitor using a similar brand, you should identify this unauthorized use of their brand, whether it's a name, logo, or other type of trademark. You then can assess the other party's products or services to see whether or not they're similar to yours. And finally, determine if there's actually a potential confusion among customers between your brand and the other party's brand. If you discover that there is a third party potentially infringing your trademark, you should document these instances of the unauthorized use. Also, you should avoid direct contact with the alleged infringer without legal advice. Consult with a trademark attorney to evaluate the situation. If you find a potential infringer, that is a third party using a brand that's real similar to yours, first you should document all instances of this unauthorized use. Avoid direct contact with this alleged infringer without actually consulting an attorney first. Then consult with a trademark attorney to evaluate the situation and determine what next steps are best for you. If you do find an infringer and you decide you want to take some action, there are many steps you can talk about. Of course, a lot of people think about filing a federal lawsuit alleging trademark infringement. Sometimes this could be like shooting a fly with a gun. It can help, but it's way too much. Usually sending a cease and desist letter is a nice medium ground, but the situation could be resolved differently. You could, for example, have a very simple communication between the attorneys involved or even the business owners involved as well, if the business owner is properly coached. You could have a situation that involves simply negotiating a coexistence agreement or otherwise finding an easy way out of the solution that does not involve a lawsuit or either party substantially changing what the brand is. Of course, we can pursue legal action if necessary, but that's not where you start. Initiating Protection Law Group can help parties who think that a third party might be infringing them. We can provide a thorough assessment of your trademark rights. We can develop a strategic plan tailored to your specific situation. And finally, we can handle communications and negotiations with the infringing party, getting a resolution that's helpful to you in the end. There are no trademark police. It's up to you to find infringers and enforce your rights. If someone is using your brand without permission, it's crucial to act promptly and protect your business. Contact us at Initiating Protection Law Group to explore your options and take the necessary steps to protect your brand.